up and happy Monday. So I'm starting the vlog off here today. I'm on set right now. We're at Decky for doing a kind of promotional video for their new air condition that they're putting in their deck area. So I'm here with Tyler, who is a friend of mine. We're with Media Monsters. You guys saw I worked with Media Monsters a couple vlogs ago for the private jet Miami Music Week video. So I work with them all the time. Definitely follow them on Instagram. They shoot a lot of lifestyle stuff and they're just an all-around awesome team. So I'm always thrilled to be a part of their videos. So we are on set. We're wrapping up in a little bit. We're getting our beverages. Wait, there they are. The whole concept is that the beer froze over because it's so cold on the deck. So figured I would take you along. I also have to go to work after this. I'm working a party for Sprint down in Miami. So I'm gonna finish up here, head down to Miami and continue on with the work day. Happy Tuesday. Well, it's actually Tuesday night. I didn't do too much vlogging today. Something happened with the camera settings. I had someone help me out, you know, with my camera settings, and I ended up not knowing how to change it. So I wasn't able to vlog my nice day at the beach. I went to the beach for a little bit and read my book. I also stopped and got a green juice from Raw Juice because I was feeling like something was kind of trying to come on and I was not letting that happen. So I drank my green juice, had a ginger shot, read my book, relaxed. And then also I wanted to show some meals that I've had today. So this morning, obviously I woke up, worked out, had oatmeal, the usual. But then for lunch, I had some sweet potatoes, I roasted some mushrooms and peppers, and then I had tempeh, which I really, really like tempeh. It's a plant-based source of protein, which is awesome and right up my alley. So I had that for lunch, and then a little bit after, wasn't much longer, I had some Greek yogurt, and then I had some fruit and granola and some raisins on there. That was very good as well. And then just now for dinner, I made myself some salmon with some grilled avocado, some grilled vegetables, and then I steamed some broccoli. So that has been my fuel for the day, but I'm actually getting ready to do an Instagram live talking about the new hair care company that I work for, how I'm making some income doing it, and just kind of, you know, the details if you were wanting to join. That's gonna be up on my Instagram. I'm going to save the live so you can always refer to it if you're deciding whether you want to join as a market partner. We will lay it all down, give you our experience, kind of the background of the company, how it's changing lives, and just answer your questions. So it's 9 o'clock, I just made some tea. I'm a little tired, but we're gonna power through this live. Hopefully you guys are, you know, there checking it out, but again, if not, it'll be saved on my Instagram. So shameless plug right here. Make sure you're following me to see what I'm up to. So I should probably catch you up to speed because I have not really vlogged today. This morning I filmed a new video. It's already up on my channel. It's products I've used up. So I really, really enjoy filming those. I just love getting rid of my trash and reviewing it for you. So I did that, and then Carly and I headed to a coffee shop, got some work done, and then we decided to hit up happy hour because why not? It's her day off. I work for myself, so you know, YOLO. So that's exactly what we did. We stopped at Mason's house on the way back. He just moved. So now we're gonna head back. We have a bottle of wine. We have some cookie mix. I literally have an egg in the car with me, ready to go. A baking sheet, like we're in this. We're ready. So we're heading over to the boys' house for a little bit. I haven't seen them in a while. We're also busy trying to, you know, just hustle and grind and make money that we don't ever really get to hang out very often. So tonight is the night. We're gonna probably watch a movie, just kind of relax, probably laugh a lot, and just talk a lot of crap to each other. So that's what's on the agenda. Figured I would catch you up to speed, but let's see what this Wednesday looks like. Hit the B-roll right now.
My hands, your bones, loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. I clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands.
It's now Thursday. I just got home from the gym and hopped in the shower. So I did wash my hair, and I wanted to feature the hair mask I just used. This is the Monet Replenish Mask. It's again infused with the Rejuvenate oil. I say this every time, but every product from Monet is infused with that oil. So it's gonna keep your hair hydrated and moisturized and eliminate frizz. So I really, really like this. It's a huge container and you only need to use it about once a month. So that's awesome. Now I'm getting ready to head to the nail salon because these nails need to get done. So we're gonna get those done, and then I have some meetings afterwards. So I figured I would show you guys what I'm up to on this beautiful Thursday. I hope you all are having an awesome day, and let's see where my day takes me.
We break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, fade into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be.
Thursday has come to a wrap. I just made myself some dinner tempeh because I'm obsessed. At the moment, I really, really like eating it as a source of protein. So I just put that with some vegetables, avocado, sauteed some broccoli, the usual kind of little vegetable saute. So that's what I'm having for dinner. I just got done filming the marketing videos for Babes with Natalia. It took us a couple times. Contact form down below, and one of our event coordinators will get back to you within 24 hours. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, God.
But we did end up getting the hang of it and got some great footage. So that's all I have for today. I'm just gonna relax a little bit. A new video went up, so I always feel so good when I post a new video. Speaking about high vibration, I just wanna tell you this little story real quick. In a lot of my self-help books, they talk about the value of kind of listening to your gut, just kind of going off of what your heart and stomach feel. Like if you're getting an urge to do something different maybe than your usual, it's probably because there's a reason. And so on my way home from West Palm, which is where we filmed the videos, I kind of got this urge to call my girlfriend Lacey. Lacey used to live with me, like her and I are really close. I might be going to visit her in San Francisco in July, so pretty sure that's gonna happen. I always hop on last minute to these trips. But anyways, I got the urge to call her, and so I ended up calling her. We caught up for a little bit, and she got a new job today. So it's just so crazy how, you know, I haven't talked to her in a little bit, and I was just like, let me just see what's up with her. And I was able to congratulate her on her very, very exciting news. So listen to those urges. They're usually there for a reason. But anyways, tomorrow is just gonna be the usual kind of, you know, gym and work routine. And then I actually do work an event tomorrow night. So I'm gonna be working at Beer Fest, and then I'm going to brunch on Saturday in Miami. So I have a pretty good weekend ahead. It's also Mother's Day, so we're gonna go to brunch for that. So let's see all of my fun, because I know I had fun. Like, I don't even have to have done it yet. I know my weekend's gonna be fun, and now you're gonna get to see it here.
Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road below. Caught up in an overflow. My hands are bones. Wide-eyed, you look at me. Set on fire until the dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. We gotta lose it. 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 Stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance?
I may actually be a dead man walking, so I'm gonna cut this outro very short and to the point. I made myself an acai bowl. It's raining. I just came back from brunch. I'm exhausted. I didn't get back from Miami till like 5:30 last night. I woke up, got ready, had brunch with my mom, which happy Mother's Day, Mom. Like you are my rock, you're my world. you are just the best. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you being you. I'm a very lucky daughter. But you already know that because I tell you that quite often. But like I said, I made an acai bowl. I was just craving it. I'm very dehydrated. Like I could just feel it in my lips, in my body. Like I need moisture. So I made some fruit. I'm gonna watch some Shameless and end the vlog here. I hope you guys have a great week. Hope you enjoyed your Mother's Day with your mom, whether they're here, whether they're in heaven. I'm thinking of you and your parents for making you, for putting you together. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Sunday, call it an early night, enjoy my acai bowl, and that's it. I think that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys had enjoyed, and until my next one, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.